Tirelo asks Umpumelelo the big question. She asked the big question by asking him, do you still love me? Is the love still there? And you know, guys, there's so many people divided over that snippet and that preview for the next episode of Izingane Zestembo. And I saw someone say that, like, if you have to even ask your man, does he still love you or is the love still there, then that means that you just basically, you're not in the right relationship. And I think there's a certain there's a truth, there's a certain extent, a truth in what that person was saying, that sometimes if you have to ask a person, like, do you still love me, like something, yeah, there's a truth in it. But I feel like, guys, like, it's good, and I really appreciate even Utirelo asking this question, you guys. I feel like it's good to not assume, to always put yourself in a position where you ask a person, do you still love me? Even besides even asking, do you still love me? Asking your partner, do you still, like, are you still enjoying that relationship? Because I feel like just asking like those type of questions will possibly open up like solutions to maybe your relationship. Maybe the person can answer and say, there's certain things that are making it hard for me to enjoy this relationship, or there's certain things that are making it hard for me to love you, and then we can fix things from there. But for you to just assume, just because you've been with that person for a while, or just because ninengane, just because you guys have a child together, then it means that the love is still burning. No, guys. Now I would prefer like asking a person and let the person tell me straight up, because at times people will string you along, you guys. They will string you along, whereas they're not on the same page as you. And some people, sadly enough, they're not going to be honest with you. You can ask those questions, and some people are just not going to be honest with you. But we all know Umpumele's response from here. Umpumelo, obviously, he's been brought up with the mentality that if you impregnate a girl, you need to marry her. So he's got two baby mamas who are basically on the queue, who are basically just waiting for him at any moment to pop the question. So it is without doubt that he's definitely gonna answer the question in a way that something about, love is a feeling, like what he said about uvuyogazi, basically, how he answered the question around, does he still love uvuyogazi? Or I can't remember if the question was, does he still love uvuyogazi, but something like that. But you guys, like, yeah, I already predict his answer, that his answer is probably going to be a yes. But at this standpoint, Umpumelelo, love is just a feeling for him. And because he has given these women kids, he is committed to them. And I think it's beautiful, and at the same time, like, it's scary, because for real, guys, love is beyond a feeling. Love is a commitment. You choose to love a person each and every day, even when they're not lovable, even when they don't do things that are lovable. You choose to love a person. That's basically it. And when the love is no longer vutaring, that means there's stuff that needs to be done to bring the flame back again. But if there was once love there, they can always be love that can be brought back, as long as, like, the relationship is not ruined or broken to that extent. So yeah, guys, for me, I really appreciate Tirelo like asking that question. I think, you know what? If you feel like your man doesn't love you, or you even doubting all of those things, address it with the right person. And addressing it with him is the best. It's the best policy at this point. So I love that for her. And she better ask all of these questions like right now, but I don't feel like it will make a difference in any case, because Mpumelela's already committed to marrying these ladies. For as long as they're committed to him, they are kind of guaranteed umshato in a sense. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure that you subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.